Hello guys, Jai Hind. My name is Cadet Mahesh Kumar Prajapati from One Gujarat Composite Technical Company. I am studying in Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. Today I am going to tell you about CSC UPSC. The full form of CSC is Civil Service Examination. The Civil Service Examination is nationwide competitive examination in India. It is conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, for requirement to various civil services of the Government of India. UPSC including the Indian Administrative Service, the Indian Police Service and the Indian Foreign Service. Also simply referred to as the UPSC examination. Civil Service examination is conducted in three phases: preliminary examination, mains examination and last interview. A preliminary examination consisting of two objective type papers. First, General Studies Paper 1 and second, General Studies Paper 2, also popularly known as Civil Service Aptitude Test or CSAT. Preliminary examination held in June every year and results are announced in August. A main examination consisting of 9 papers of conventional essay type, in which 2 papers are qualifying and marks of 7 are counted, followed by personality test interview. Main examination held in October every year and results are announced in January. The personality test held in March and final result are usually announced in May. Question paper is only given in Hindi or English and answer can be given in scheduled languages of India. A single attempt takes 2 complete years of preparation, 1 year before the prelims and 1 year prelims to interview. On average 9 to 10 lakhs candidates apply every year and the number of candidates sitting in the preliminary examination approximately 5 lakhs. Qualification rate of civil service examination is approximately 0.1%. Eligibility for civil service examination. Nationality: for the Indian Administrative Service, for the Indian Police Service and Indian Foreign Service. The candidate must be citizen of India. For other services, the candidate must be a citizen of India or a citizen of Nepal or a subject of Bhutan or Tibetan refugee who settled permanently in before 1st January 1962 or a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Myanmar or other countries with the intention of permanently sitting in India. Age limit for civil service examination. The candidate must be attain the age of 21 years and must be not attain the age of 32 years on 1st August of the year of examination. Prescribed age limits vary with respect to caste reservation. The number of attempts for civil service examination. The number of times a candidate can appear for the exam are: General category candidate 6 times, OBC category candidate 9 times and SC/ST candidate unlimited attempts till 37 years of age. It is considered to be most difficult competitive examination in India. Jai Hind.